So like I mentioned, contacts are nothing but the individuals as your customer companies, or they may also represent your customers in a B2C scenario. So contact can be the CEO, the sales manager, or marketing manager, purchasing manager, whoever in your target company. So this slide shows the list of contacts, and let's look at what are the required fields of a contact when you are creating a contact. So basically, two fields are mandatory for contact: last name and the owner. Only these two fields are mandatory when you are creating a contact. The first name is a business recommended field. It's not mandatory. It is good to have. So let's see. We'll go to sales contacts. It will show all the active contacts here. This list. So I open one contact. Okay. So it is showing the fields of the contact. So when you are creating a new contact, only these two fields are mandatory. Here is mentioned full name. Once I click on it, I can see the name is split into two: first name and last name. So here you can see a red asterisk, so which represent this last name is mandatory, and you can see a blue plus button, plus symbol, right? So this is indicate that this is a business required field, sorry, business recommended. So now if I delete the first name and click done, that means this record still can be saved. I can save it still. The record is perfectly saved because that is a business recommended field, but it's not mandatory. But if I delete this field and try to save, it will show an error message. You must provide a value for last name, because last name is a mandatory field and first name is a business required field. In addition to that, you can customize and make any field is mandatory. That is possible, but for now these are the mandatory fields. Okay, so now you understand there are three types of values for a field: business required, business recommended, and optional. All these fields with no symbols are optional. This is business required. Okay. So now some of the additional important fields of a contact are: one is a company name, that is nothing but your account. If you are in a B2B scenario, it will be your account, the contact, the customer company. Right. Then the email, business phone number, mobile phone and fax number, then preferred method of contacting. So we'll see. So you have job title of the contact, account name, email, business phone, mobile phone. Then you have mentioned your address. Once you click on address, you can see the individual field you can mention separately, like street. You can mention street 1, street 2, street 3, city, and country, region. Right. So then again you have field called company. So this is nothing but the account name. So I can mention ABC Corp. So this guy AB Morgan is from company ABC Corp. Okay. Now you can see that here also field called account name. These are one and the same. So earlier this field was not there. So this is nothing but a read-only form, a small type of form is added here. So whenever you are changing account name, you will change here. The moment you change here, it will change here as well. Okay. Then you have your subgrids, because contact have a connection one-to-one relationship cases. The ticket that this person has been raised, that is recent cases. Then you have recent opportunities that came through this contact. Then entitlements, all these are the associated. Then again we have personal details about this contact: gender, marital status, spouse name, birthday, anniversary. Then the billing details, same as account. Then contact preference again. What is the preferred method of contact for this person? CRM will check it whether it's allow. Only when it's allow, then only mail can be sent.